Welcome back to Customer Discovery 101. I'm Elizabeth Hay from the Penn State Small Business Development Center, and today we're going to talk about how to summarize what you are learning from the Nugget exercise. Hopefully, the sticky exercise has helped you learn more about your customers, validate some assumptions, and develop new questions that you need answered. This process may seem slow at times, and it's okay. It's important to take time when processing data to make sure assumptions don't slip into our decision-making process. Also, the brain works better when it has some time to consciously or subconsciously process information. At this point, you should be building a better understanding of the problem, the need, and exactly who your customer is. Hopefully, you've uncovered some new learnings that you hadn't thought about. That's all good. We often think we have a clear understanding of the problem, the target, our target customer. But it's often difficult to clearly articulate that succinctly. That's where jobs to be done statements come in. Jobs to be done statements are just that. What job is the customer trying to do, and what is standing in their way of doing it? There are three parts to this statement. First, a description of the customer, including the context in which the problem or need is happening. Second is what that customer is trying to do. That is the job that they are trying to accomplish. Third is the problem they are encountering that is preventing them from accomplishing the job. And finally, the fourth component is the root cause of the problem. Why are they unable to do what they want to do? Jobs to be done statements come in multiple formats, but good ones include each of the components we just discussed. Let's look at a format that we've found useful when we work with clients. It looks pretty simple, but you'd be surprised how difficult it can be to write a clear statement. It goes like this. I am, list at least three characteristics of your customer. I am trying to, outcome, job, trying to do. But, problem I'm having getting that job done. Because, root cause for why the problems keep happening. So let's try to figure out using the example we used in a previous video of a mom who's trying to eat more healthy, but has a full-time job in active kids and competitive sports. A job to be done statement based on interviews insights might look something like this. I'm a working mother of 2 active kids who participate in competitive sports year-round. I'm trying to eat more healthy because I don't have time to exercise. But on-the-go options aren't very healthy, and I don't have time to plan, shop, and make healthy meals for myself. Because I can't shop during work hours, and after work I have to drive my kids to and from sports practices. Plus, my cooking skills aren't really that great anyway. Jobs to be done statements are great for a number of reasons. First, they force you to succinctly articulate who your customer is. Second, they help you define the context of the problem. Third, they help you determine if you've uncovered the root cause of the problem or the why. And fourth, they help you validate what you believe you understand with potential customers. You should be able to read your statement to a potential customer and have them see themselves in the words. We've seen the power of these simple statements over and over. They are helpful in articulating the motivations of your customers and are key to helping you build solutions that align with their needs and wants, not what you think they need or want. When writing your jobs to be done statement, keep the following in mind. First, use the words you heard in the interviews. Your statements should be about what the customer is experiencing. Your final statement shouldn't suggest a solution. It should be a description of the problem, who had it, and why. Finally, if you have more than one customer, rate a statement for each. There are a number of times when this happens. If you require 2 different groups to buy in, this is called a two-sided market. For example, creating solutions where home chefs can make ready-made healthy meals for busy people requires you understand both the chefs and the busy people. Each will have different needs and challenges, so you should have a jobs to be done for both. Your next step is to look through your nuggets and validate assumptions and try to craft a jobs to be done statement. We recommend that you write at least 5 to start. Then review them to see which clearly and succinctly captures what you are learning. Look to see if you've captured the why or just skimmed the surface. You may also run them by people you've interviewed to get their feedback. Just show them the statement, then ask, what do you think? Once you've done that, jump on the next video to learn about how to build personas for your target customer.